So I'm talking about the honest review of the product Seracare, which is basically used for to treat diabetes. First of all, I request you please be aware from spamming websites, because there are many third-party websites on internet today. They are selling Seracare product. They are spamming websites and they will store you all money, or they will send you fake products. So be aware from spamming websites. This is the original official website I am showing you on the screen, and I will give you the official website link in the description. If you want to buy from that link, you will get original product. So please take care about this thing. Don't buy from any another website. So now we will start the review. So Seracare is basically a natural antioxidants. Seracare is a natural supplement which contain powerful antioxidants that helps to support detoxify. It will detoxify your body and support your blood sugar level. Basically, Seracare acts on the root cause of diabetes. If you take Seracare pills from 2 to 3 months, you will see the results. You will totally cure from diabetes. You don't have to think about any side effects and other things. It is pure natural method and manufactured in an FDA registered facility. So there is no duplicacy, there is no side effects and wrong supplements. It is antibiotic free, gluten free, non GMO. It is totally good for to cure diabetes. When we talk about the quality, Seracare gather the freshest and highest quality natural ingredient available and always following good manufacturing GMP guidelines. These supplements following all guidelines from the GMP, and it is also FDA registered, so you don't have to think about any fraud system and another thing. So for your whole body, what it does really, it helps to support your blood sugar level and body natural ability to stay healthy. Basically, it works on the root cause of your blood sugar, on the organs, which are basically root cause of your increasing your blood sugar. It will maintain your insulin level in your body, improve your body health, and improve energetic well-being, combating fatigue and increasing volatility. There are many videos on YouTube, or there are many reviews on the Google. They don't use Seracare, they are just copy and paste the review, giving fake review to you. But I'm talking about today the original review, the original things which is 100% sure, and the real things which the official websites say about the Seracare. So the age criteria, like many peoples asked about which age peoples should take the Seracare. There is a 30, 40 or 50, matlab means the 30 plus peoples can take Seracare. There is no issue. Seracare is 100% natural, safe and effective. Thousands of people enjoy Seracare every day. Every capsule is manufactured in USA, so every capsule, every bottle is made in USA. Totally it is made in USA and FDA registered and GMP manufacturing police practices certified faculty. So there is no any issue of duplicacy and wrong products and any side effects. So it is totally FDA registered. The main thing is this. And how you have to take it, you just take one capsule every day with your evening meal with a half glass of water, and you will love the results when you see how will feel. From my opinion, you have to take Care for 2 to 3 months. You will see real results, and you will find you will cure from the diabetes. From my opinion, you have to continue it from 30 to 60 days, from 1 to 2 months. And the main thing is, which most people don't know, you have 60 days money back guarantee. So if you thinking about to try this, you should try this, because it has 60-day money back guarantee. If you not satisfied with the product, you think the product is not working for you, in 60 days you can contact them and ask them you are not satisfied. They will give you all money back. They will refund you your all money, and don't ask anything to you why you asking for refund. They will give you all money. So if you are thinking about to test this product, you should test. There is no issue. Firstly, you will buy a one bottle, $59 or $69 for one bottle. If you want to test this bottle, you can buy this one. But I recommend you should go for 6 bottles or 3 bottles, because in it will show the best results in 90 days. 60 to 90 days it will show the best results, and you will cure from the Care, and you don't have to eat for it lifetime. You don't have to follow the pills routine for your lifetime, because after 6 to 7 months you will totally cure from your diabetes. And then you should just follow some simple diets. You have to maintain your daily diet meal to maintain your blood sugar level, and you don't have to eat or take the Care supplement for your lifetime. So from my opinion, if you are thinking about to try this, you should try this, because there is no any issue. It is pure naturally, proudly made in USA, made in FDA registered faculty. So there is no any trust issue, because it is made in FDA registered faculty, made in USA, and 60 days money back guarantee. So if you facing any issue, you are not satisfied with the product, you just ask them for refund. They will refund you all money. So again, I am asking you, please alert from spamming website. Buy this from official website. I am giving the official website link in the description. Buy from that link, and you will get the original products as soon as possible at your doorstep. So bye bye. I'll come with another honest review very soon. Bye bye. If you like this review, please like the video and subscribe my channel for real reviews on this kind of products. So bye bye.